Digital footprint and reputation. Digital footprint and reputation has everything to do with the person you are online. Colleges, employers, and family, teachers, etc. check to see what you post online, among other things. Reputation also combines the privacy and need for professionalism, that people know it's you, but they don't have access to your whole life story. Look to others. Many people seek to have an online account only after seeing others having one and the benefits that can come from being connected through this technology. Modeling your behavior after theirs can be a good step to move to that professionalism. If you wouldn't show family, teachers, or other people you look up to, I would advise staying away from showing your friends as well. Know the terms and conditions. Many people just click agree without being aware of what they agree to. This is how we behave when we send texts or messages as well. We click OK without reviewing or thinking of what we just said. Another tip is to Google yourself. What information can you find about yourself? Is it good? Is it too much? Is it a representation of you, or at least one that you'd want to share? You should be encouraged to share. Technology can connect us in a way that we didn't have before. It should be used to enhance relationships, but can't be the only way we talk. Some people are shocked that people avoid technology altogether. To flip the tables, it's just as dangerous to be consumed in technology. Do you like you or your digital self? Which world are you living in? Be respectful and enjoy the resource. Keep up to date and set times where you hang out with friends or family and get together. Make sure you're not spending too much time in front of a screen. As you get older, the time you remember is the time you're with great people. Hopefully the technology will grow these relationships. As always, stay safe and God bless.